While sharks have gained a fearsome reputation in popular culture, it's important to note that they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. However, here are some facts that highlight the potential dangers associated with sharks. Fatal shark attacks. Although rare, fatal shark attacks do occur. According to the International Shark Attack File, an average of 10 people die each year due to shark attacks. While the number is relatively small compared to other causes of death, it still emphasizes the potential danger sharks can pose. Aggressive species. Certain shark species, such as the great white shark, bull shark, and tiger shark, have been involved in a higher number of attacks on humans. These species have powerful jaws and teeth designed to hunt and feed on large prey, making them potentially more dangerous. Unpredictability. Sharks are wild animals, and their behavior can be difficult to predict accurately. They can exhibit unexpected reactions, especially in situations where they feel threatened or are attracted to potential prey. This unpredictability adds an element of danger for those who encounter sharks in their natural habitats. Provoked attacks. Provoking or antagonizing a shark significantly increases the risk of an attack. Certain actions like spearfishing, baiting, or harassing sharks can trigger defensive or aggressive responses. It's important to exercise caution and respect while interacting with sharks to avoid provoking them. Misidentification. In some cases, shark attacks may occur due to mistaken identity. Surfers, for example, can be mistaken for seals, a common prey for some shark species. The inherent difficulty in distinguishing between different objects in the water may lead to accidental attacks on humans. Deep-sea species. Many deep-sea shark species are poorly understood due to the challenges of studying them in their natural habitats. These sharks possess unique adaptations and behaviors that make them potentially dangerous, but due to their elusive nature, knowledge about them remains limited. Reproduction system of sharks. Sharks, like other members of the elasmobranch group, reproduce through sexual reproduction. However, the specific reproductive strategies can vary among different shark species. There are three main types of reproduction observed in sharks: oviparity, ovoviviparity, and viviparity. Oviparity. Oviparous sharks lay eggs outside the female's body. These eggs are encased in protective capsules known as mermaid's purses or egg cases. The female shark deposits these egg cases in a safe location, such as coral reefs or rocky crevices, to protect them from predators. The embryos develop and hatch from the eggs outside the mother's body. The young sharks are independent and must fend for themselves from the moment they hatch. Ovoviviparity. Ovoviviparous sharks retain the eggs inside the female's body until they hatch. The embryos develop within egg cases or capsules internally, but they are not connected to the mother's bloodstream for nourishment. Instead, the embryos obtain nutrients from the yolk sac present in the egg case. The female shark gives birth to live young once the eggs have hatched internally. The newborn sharks are fully formed and ready to survive on their own. Viviparity. Viviparous sharks have the most advanced form of reproduction among sharks. In this method, the embryos develop within the mother's body and are nourished through a placental connection. The placenta allows for direct exchange of nutrients and oxygen between the mother and the developing embryos, similar to how it occurs in mammals. This enables the young sharks to receive a constant supply of nutrients and oxygen during their development. The female gives birth to live young that are capable of swimming and fending for themselves. It's worth noting that the reproductive process in sharks can vary in terms of gestation periods, litter sizes, and sexual maturity. Some shark species have relatively short gestation periods of a few months, while others may carry their embryos for over a year. Litter sizes can also vary significantly, ranging from a few eggs to several dozen pups in a single pregnancy. Additionally, many shark species exhibit various reproductive strategies, with some combining elements of oviparity, ovoviviparity, and viviparity. The reproductive strategy adopted by a specific shark species depends on factors such as habitat, evolutionary adaptations, and ecological conditions. Overall, the reproductive methods of sharks demonstrate their remarkable diversity and ability to adapt to different environments.